I'm Rosalyn and I'm going to be your sugar makeup expert for today. Have you been told that a pop pink or a bright coral will not suit a deep-skinned woman? Well, I'm here to bust that myth. I'm going to be trying different lipsticks from different color families that is sure to look great on every deep-skinned woman. To prep my lip, I'll be using Seal the Show Lip Primer. This primer not only primes your lips but also moisturizes it. It's transparent, so it does not change the color of your lipstick, and it's so lightweight you don't even feel that you have anything on. Applying a primer forms a protective layer as well as fills in the cracks that you have on your lips. Applying a lip primer before every lipstick application will help your lipsticks last longer. I'm starting with my first color from the orange family, which is 09 A Christmas Coral. This is from the range Never Say Dry Creme Lipstick. This is a deep coral color. The High Color Pure formula is loaded with vitamin E that locks in moisture and color. It's a roll-on wonder that will save you the hassle of lining your lips. The best time to use a creme lipstick is during the winter season. It will leave your lips moisturized throughout the day. And the best part, you go from goddamn to goddess. From the pink family, I'm using 06 Pink ALOUD from the Nothing Else Matter Longwear lipstick range. This is a bright fuchsia pink shade. This lipstick has a soft matte premium finish that settles on an opaque look. Since this lipstick is water resistant, you can surely use it when you go swimming. From the nude family, I'll be using 08 Smoking Sienna from the Click Me Up Velvet lipstick range. This is a brown toned burnt orange shade. A single stroke of this lipstick will last you up to 10 hours. This can be your go-to color for your everyday style in just a click. From the red family, I'm using 19 Terry Tomato from the Suede Secret Matte Lip Color range. This is a bright red shade with a hint of orange in it. And the finish is so plush that it never feels dry even after it dries. Now since this is a matte lipstick, it tends to dry up really fast. So what you could do to prevent your teeth from getting stained, you could use a tissue or just your finger, put it in and pull it out. From the purple family, I'm using 01 The Big Bang Berry from It's A-POUT Time Vivid Lipstick range. This deep wine shade spells power and charisma, and it's totally for a woman like you. You can pull off this shade during the day or even in the night time. For a bold color, I'm using 02 Mary Poppins from the Matte as Hell Crayon lipstick range. This is a fuchsia shade. It is an eye-catching shade that can never go unnoticed. When you sport a bold lipstick shade like this, keep your eye makeup neutral. For the metallic shade, I'll be using 32 Brass Class from the Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick range. This is a deep bronze brown shade. Get a full-blooded burst of pigment with just a single swipe that will last you longer than your longest days. If you are trying a metallic lip shade for the first time, choose something that looks subtle on you. Another tip would be to apply a lip primer before applying any mattifying lipstick. It will keep your lips moisturized throughout the day. Color could be a cruel mistress, and most of us could score some serious style points by just stepping outside our comfort zone. There's no color that a deep-skinned woman cannot wear. Take the plunge, experiment, and I'm sure you will love it. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below and buy these lipsticks. This video has a special coupon code attached to it. Find and stand a chance to win. Like, share and subscribe to Sugar Cosmetics YouTube channel, and I'll see you next time for my next video.